guys, Gary here today, and we're finally back on the F150. It's been a really long time since I've actually had any content with the F150. As you all know, I've been having some engine problems with it, and that's part of the reason why I haven't been using it lately. And plus, I've been enjoying driving the Jeep around. It's been taking me to a lot more places than the F150 has, but I do miss it. So I'm actually just on my way right now to Abbey to go pick up some items in regards to modifying the vehicle. Probably already put it in the thumbnail, but shout out to my buddy Car Fleet, who actually shared this post to me and put it to my attention. I'm actually gonna be buying a new front and rear bumper that has more clearance actually, and it's a tube bumper, so it's definitely going to give a lot more clearance for my truck here. And once the the engine problems that I've been having to it, Ford things, once I have all that one figured out, you're going to see more of the F150.
One hour later.
Hey guys, so I don't think the guy that was selling it to me didn't want to be in camera, so I didn't actually film it, but I already have it on my back of my truck bed, and I'll probably show it to you guys really quickly. Yeah, the sun's coming down, and I don't know how well I can show you guys the bumpers, so if I don't show it to you guys later, I'm probably gonna show it to you guys tomorrow when there's daylight. Hopefully it doesn't rain. That would suck. And I'll give a better detail of the front and rear bumper tomorrow, and basically my plans for making it brand new again. Anyways, see you guys in a bit.
Much later.
Hey guys, it's actually been a couple of weeks since I had a chance to show you guys the front and rear bumper, so I'm going to show it to you guys right now. Alright guys, so this is how the front bumper looks like. It's actually pretty badass, if I say so myself. So I think I just have to fix a few things. If you guys notice, there's still some surface rust around this area, some there as well too, some on top. I apologize, my neighbor's just doing some stuff as well too at their place. But yeah, so surface rust, some surface rust as well, and I think that's a surface rust as well too there. I think this got bent. I believe this is the part that got bent. So I guess we just gotta rebend it. Yeah, we just gotta rebend it. See if you notice it here. That's wider, and then this is narrower. I think this got bent back, so I just gotta have this one bent back to how it was normally, and so that it'll fit the F150. It's straight bolt on, as I mentioned, so there's bolts here, here, and there, and it just bolts onto it right away. Came with these fog lights here. It's a bit dirty, probably gonna clean it up, and probably might even relocate those somewhere else, just because I don't know if I want it there, because I'm thinking of getting a winch and actually putting a winch in this setup right here. So eventually probably me and Car Fleet or me and a few buddies are probably just gonna add a winch plate somewhere here where this grill is, right here. Put a winch plate there, build a winch plate for it, and have a winch built for my vehicle here, for the F-150. So far it's looking pretty good. Like, I'm excited. Finally have something for the F-150. Next up is the rear bumper. This thing is heavy as hell, which kind of makes sense because it is, you know, it's probably gonna get most of the, you know, the beating when I'm driving the F-150 back on the off-road. As you guys can see, few minor damages here, like, which I don't really mind. Sorry for the brightness here, but little scuff here, probably gonna try to fix that, or just rust and probably repaint that. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, I got it for a pretty good price. Got both for $300. Same thing as the front bumper. It's a bolt on as well too. So yeah, pretty excited. Oh, and the cool thing as well is it actually has holes for my sensor, so I can actually put in my sensor for the back, so I can still use my sensor that I currently have and just reinstall it, and yeah, just plug it in there as well too. They also have it on the side, the wiring here as well, but I mean, I'm probably gonna get new wiring for this as well too. As you guys can see, surface rust as well too. Probably gonna be easy. Probably just gonna sand this. You know, like my buddy Chris is probably gonna help me out with this one. I'm definitely gonna be doing all the work, but he's gonna be helping me out because I'd like to learn as well too, especially with modifying my vehicle, right, and kind of learn a little bit about it. But yeah, more surface rust here, and eventually yeah, just clean it up, fix it up, and get it ready for the summer, or whenever I plan to have the F-150 back onto the road. But at least it's a start. It's going to be a slow build for the F-150, starting it off with a bumper, which is going to keep me occupied, and the next few things as well too. Part of the reason why the F-150, as I said earlier, hasn't been working is because of the engine, and my friend and a fellow YouTuber named Doc Franklin is going to be checking it out and finding out what the heck is really wrong with it, and hopefully once we remedy that, we can have it back on the road. I do miss driving it, and I'm excited. I hope this still solidifies the fact that I'm still trying to build my F-150. You know, I have big plans for it. Eventually just going to slowly build it the way I want it, and while I'm at it, I'm just going to be driving this through the summer, and of course my Z through the summer, so you guys are going to be getting contents from all three vehicles. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. If you guys are excited to see more of the F-150 content and the build that I'm going to be doing to the F-150, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time guys, like always, stay awesome.